Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make peanut butter oat balls. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, and 1/3 cup of honey or maple syrup. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. These few items are all it takes to create a delicious and healthy snack in just a few minutes. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to combine them. Pour the rolled oats, peanut butter, honey or maple syrup, and vanilla extract into a large mixing bowl. Stir everything together thoroughly until it's well combined. You want to make sure all the oats are completely coated, creating a slightly sticky but firm mixture that will hold its shape. With your mixture ready, it's time for the fun part, forming the balls. Take about 1 tablespoon of the mixture and roll it between your palms to create a small, round ball. Aim for a consistent size, roughly 1 inch in diameter. Place each finished ball onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This makes for easy cleanup and prevents sticking. Once all your peanut butter oat balls are formed, place the baking sheet in the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 30 minutes. This helps them firm up and maintain their shape. After chilling, transfer them to an airtight container. They'll stay fresh for up to 1 week. Now you have a perfect, easy snack ready to enjoy anytime.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.